Hello you guys and welcome back. I just want to leave you guys with a tool by the name of Seesaw. Seesaw is an online portfolio. You can keep different assignments here. You can utilize differentiation, personalized learning. You can create assignments, create classes. You can create a different atmosphere for your students for them to take ownership of their learning. The great thing about it is Seesaw and Fulton County have partnered up, so you guys all have access to your own Seesaw accounts where your students are already in your respective classes, such as all your content areas, ELA, Math, Social Studies, and all those things. So the great thing about that is you can share those classes. If you have a co-teacher, you can share that via email, or if you wanted to create more classes to suit the needs of your students, then you can do that as well. If you would like more training on Seesaw and the different things that you can do and how you can embed this into your instruction, please be mindful that you can always reach out to me. I'm always an email away, and invite me in to help you out. So once you go to Seesaw or the app.seesaw.me, what you will do is you will sign in as a teacher, and then you will put in your Fulton County credentials. All right. Let me see if I can type here. And you will sign in. When you sign in, here's what you'll see. All right. To your left is where you will find all of your classes. These are classes that I've either created or that teachers have shared with me. And we can go through what everything is. On the side here is where you will find everything, all of your folders that you can create within that class. Here's your journal. Here are different activities. This is new to Seesaw. You can now browse activity or activity library that other Seesaw ambassadors or other teachers who are utilizing this particular tool have embedded or placed in here different ways to use or different lessons that you can use with Seesaw. Here's your inbox where you can add your students and you can chat with them via one-on-one. Great way to co-plan with your students or give them feedback based on different assignments that they've completed within Seesaw. You can also attach a skill level to the different activities that you put within Seesaw, which is really good. And for our upper grade levels, if you want to start with blogging, I know writing becomes a very big piece of education starting third grade, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a good way to prepare for Georgia milestones if you want to do a writing piece and a blogging piece. So again, like I said before, if you wanted to invite me in, I'll show you how to utilize the tool. I think Seesaw is really great for all students K through 5, but it's really, really good for those younger grades as like K through 3. So if you want more information, like I said, I'm only email away. Please, please, please feel free to reach out to me. As always, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you. Goodbye.